Good morning. Today we are discuss about thermodynamics, BSc second semester. Thermodynamics is the branch of physics that deals with relation between heat and other form of energy. We are discuss here heat engines is a device which convert heat into work. There are two type of engines. One is Otto engine, another one is diesel engine. Now we are discussing about Otto engine. First, it discovered by Otto, German scientist, 1876. Actually, Otto cycle have 6 processes. 4 involve the motion of the piston. Hence, the cycle is called 4-stroke cycle. Now, I drawn here figure. First one is the sanction stroke. You can see below here sanction strokes, and this one is a PV diagram. In the PV diagram, pressure versus volume. What will be happen? Sanction strokes from PV diagram E to A. Here what about here? This is piston frictionless and having 2 valves. Initially what will be happen? I valve here and O valve here. I will be open and O will be closed. Initially what will be happen? I open and insert 98% air and plus 2% petrol, 2%. And 98% air and 2% petrol, both together we can refer here fuel. At that time the piston will be moved down. After that, second part is there, compression strokes, and here A to B. In the compression stroke, what will be happen? The piston move up and it will be compressed 1 divided by 5th time, and 600 Celsius will be increased, and both the valve will be closed. First what will be happen? I will be open and O will be closed. Here both the valve open and piston move up and compression 1 divided by 5th time, and temperature will be increased here 600 Celsius. Now next one is there, third part, we can refer here combustion BC. Now you can see BC here, pressure is increases very highly and volume will be constant. Now you can see figure here, both the valves closed, and next one is there, piston moved down. At that time 200 Celsius temperature will be increased because of the ignited spark. That's the reason temperature will be here 200 Celsius. And what is the difference between second and third process? Here piston move up 1 divided by 5th time, compressor increase 600 Celsius. Third one, temperature increase 2000 Celsius and ignited spark. And here both the process, the valve will be closed, means inlet and outlet. And you can refer here, this is combustion BC, and here pressure will be increases. And next one is there, working stroke CD. Now you can see here lastly I is closed and O is open. Here CD and DA, here whatever be waste material is there, it is went to the outside through O. Now in this way this process will be continuous E to A at the time initial stage, that is known as the sanction stroke EA, and next one is there A to B, that one is known as compression stroke. And compression stroke pressure increases slightly, means here you can see compress 1 divided by 5th and 600 Celsius increase. At that time next one is there combustion BC, at that time pressure will be increases constant volume. What will be happen here? Ignited spark and 2000 Celsius temperature will be increases. And finally working strokes, wall exhaust and exhaust stroke will be happen, and it will be cycle will be happen EA, AB, BC, CD, DA and AE. In this way, this cycle will be processed, and whatever be this engine will be work. This known as the briefly explanation of auto engine. Thank you.